In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send meeting invitation in Outlook. We'll walk through creating a professional invite from start to finish, so your attendees get all the right details the first time. First, open Outlook and switch to your calendar by clicking the calendar icon at the bottom left. This takes you out of your inbox and into the calendar view where meetings live. Once you are there, start a new event by selecting New Event, or New Meeting, depending on your version. They both take you to the same creation window where you'll add all your information. Begin with a clear, concise title. For example, something like Project Kickoff tells everyone exactly what to expect. Avoid vague subjects so the purpose stands out in people's calendars and in notifications. Next, add your attendees. Click the invite icon and start typing names or email addresses. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type to make this faster. Pick the correct people from the list and confirm the entries before moving on. Keep your list focused on the people who need to be there so the meeting stays productive. Now choose your time. You can accept one of Outlook's suggested slots or manually enter the date and start and end times. Make sure the duration is realistic for your agenda, and double-check your time zone if you are coordinating across locations. It helps to pick a time that leaves a little buffer before and after for everyone. Set your location. If you are meeting in person, enter a clear physical location so attendees know exactly where to go. If it's online, toggle the online meeting option on for Teams or Skype, depending on what your organization uses. That will automatically add the join link to the invitation and your attendees' calendars. In the description area, add your agenda or a helpful message. A short outline of topics. Any preparation needed and relevant links or files will save time and align expectations. Keep it organized and easy to scan so people can get ready quickly. Before sending, give everything a quick review: title, attendee list, date and time, location or online toggle, and the description. When it looks good, click Send. Outlook delivers the invitation to everyone you included. Adds it to your calendar and tracks responses as people accept or decline. You can always reopen the event later to make updates if something changes. That's it. Your meeting invitation is on its way. Thanks for watching.